Welcome to the UAE FRR Mastery Hub. This is your dashboard, where you can see your overall progress, chapters read, and mock exams done. You can navigate the course materials using the sidebar on the left. In the Summaries section, you can review expert summaries of the official syllabus, beginning with Chapter 1, the Regulatory Infrastructure. This section provides a chapter overview and detailed explanations. Scrolling down within a chapter summary, you will find key examinable areas, common pitfalls to avoid, and helpful exam tricks for memorization. Further down, you will find additional exam notes, a compiled list of all numerical values, and a section on potential exam traps to help you prepare effectively. You can easily navigate through the remaining chapters from the Summaries page, including licensed bodies, investment funds, markets, and more. The quick cheat sheet provides essential definitions, thresholds, and timelines. You can use the filter tabs, such as License Capital, to quickly access key information. In the flashcards section, actively test your recall of key rules and facts. The deck progress is shown at the top, and you can see how many cards you've mastered or are still reviewing. Clicking a card reveals the answer. You can mark if you got it to track your progress and reinforce your learning through active recall. The Mock Exam Hub offers 4 unique, full-length mock exams with unlimited attempts: Foundations, Applied, Advanced, and Mixed, each with 100 questions and a 180-minute time limit. Selecting an exam brings you to the preparation screen, detailing the format, duration, and number of questions. You can start the exam or return to the list. During the exam, track your question progress and time remaining. Navigate between questions using the Next and Back buttons and click Finish when ready to submit. After submitting, you'll see your exam results. The detailed correction review shows the correct answers and provides a clear explanation for each question. Finally, the AI tutor is available for specific questions about the course material, exam tips, or regulations, providing targeted, knowledge-based responses.